Hey guys, what's up? Pablo Pips Effects here. Alright, so in this video guys, I really want to show you how you can enter free signals really easy. Alright, for just those persons who don't know how to enter trades from signals and is just totally new to this trading world. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys is just locate your MetaTrader 5 app. If you don't have that, go ahead and download that from the Play Store. Just go ahead and type in MetaTrader 5. You go ahead and have that pop up real fast. Let me show you. Just type in MetaTrader 5. Right there it is. It pops up right there, and this is the app you want to download guys. Make sure you download that app. Alright, so with that said, you want to go to your MetaTrader 5 app guys. Right off the bat, these are some of the signals that were sent out in VIP. Highly accurate and just profitable signals we dish out daily guys. Even in our free group, check out our free group. Guys are just bagging it in the free group, just living, just lumping in the free group guys. They don't even want to come to VIP because they know our signals are highly profitable in the free group. So check out our free group guys. If you want VIP unlimited signals like that, then feel free to advance to our VIP. Alright, but right off the bat guys, so the first thing you want to do once you open your MetaTrader 5 app guys, depending on what home screen it brings you to, you want to make sure that you are on your chart screen, right? Because the signal that is sent to your group or whatever group you're into is going to come in with a pair, representing a pair. What is a pair? It's this thing right here, the combination of two currencies. In this case is I think this is silver and euro. So the trade I want to go ahead and set my take profit to and stop loss and enter in, which I'm already in by the way, is USD CAD. Alright guys, so how do you locate that? You want to go ahead and go to your drop down right here guys. If you're not seeing it in your drop down after tapping on the symbol here, right, you want to go to the quote section and tap on this with a plus icon and then type in USD CAD or whatever symbol that was sent in the signal group you're in. Alright, so once you do that guys, you want to go ahead and like I said and locate that pair. Looking for USD CAD, there it is, and boom, there it is guys. So right off the bat, I want to go ahead and set my take profit and stop loss. So let's say I already entered this trade, boom, that's my position in the market, that's my risk right there. One more important thing guys, before you enter any trade at all, make sure you take account of what your account balance really is. You want to risk only 1% of your account by rule of thumb. Alright, so just bear that in mind. How you can calculate your lot size, you can also use online calculators or check out the lot size calculator on our website. Really profitable and helpful tools we provide for traders who are just trying to start out in the trading world guys. Alright, so moving on guys, you want to go ahead and boom, I entered my trade. Let's go ahead and tap on the line that you see there, whether it's a buy or sell, and I want to go ahead and tap on TP. Right, tapping on TP, let me see, tapping on TP guys, I want to go ahead and tap that forward arrow button right there. It's going to take me to my TP, and let me see the TP that was actually sent out for this in our free signals group. Let's see. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into my Telegram channel real quick guys. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of junk in my Telegram guys, taking a while to upload, but quick off the bat, want to go to my groups, want to go to our VIP group right here. So we went ahead and we automatically we send out daily reports as well. So here guys, you can see the TP was 1.39393, 1.39393. So you want to carefully remember the TP guys and go ahead and just put that in 1.39393, 1.39393. I hope that was right. Let me see if that was right. 1.39393. Alright, so I don't know what's happening here, but it's not accepting my TP guys. Let me see if I can put 0. Alright, so if it's not accepting the last digit, a good trick guys is always to put 0. Alright, so next thing is I want to go ahead and set my stop loss, and my stop loss for this would be 1.38721. so I go to my stop loss 1.38721, and it's already there guys. So I can go ahead now and just tap on the modify button real quick. Alright, tap on this button right here and it will go ahead and set my take profit and stop loss guys, and that's how easy it is. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and check out more for content on our channel. Jump in the Telegram group guys, back some tips for yourself. Until our next video, stay tuned.